Hi, my name is Megan, and I'm a Training and Implementation Coordinator here at the Marlin Group. Today we'll be discussing Zephire's dashboard feature. Wouldn't it be amazing if you had a tool that allows you to manage your daily, monthly parking tasks and job responsibilities all in one place? Zephire offers this and more through our dashboard feature. The dashboard is where you'll land upon login to the admin portal. Whether you're organizing financial details, keeping track of Parker account information, or managing credentials, Zephire offers 13 customizable widgets to help. In today's video, we'll discuss what a widget is, how to set up these widgets on your dashboard, and how to use the widgets once set up. Let's discuss some of the unique widgets Zephire has to offer. Zephire's 13 widgets can be sorted into 3 categories that include financial, inventory, and Parker and credential information. The ATB by level widget is a financial report that gives a snapshot of the age trial balance at a specific location. Zephire also offers widgets that display open invoices, monthly billing information, payments posted and payment errors, as well as pending charges and invoices. Among the inventory widgets are the Space Capacity tool that displays parking spaces in use and those that are available for sign-up at a location, as well as the Waitlist tool for parkers who have requested to wait for available parking at locations that have reached capacity. Lastly, Parkers and Credential widgets include the New Parkers and New Parkers Group tools that provide insight into new parkers that have signed up for parking at a specific location, whether part of a group or individual account. We also have widgets that note any credential issues that parkers have reported, as well as credentials that have been canceled. So, how do you add these widgets to your dashboard? Once logged in, you'll want to navigate to the My Account menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Then click on the Dashboard Setup submenu. Next, click New to add a new widget. The New Widget window will open, where you'll select the widget you wish to add from the Widget Name drop-down menu. Within the Display Order field, you can add a number to set the order in which you want the widget displayed. If you don't have a display order preference, leave this field blank. Then click Update to save this information. You'll now see the widget displayed in your widget list. If you need to edit a widget, click Edit next to the widget you'd like to modify. Once you've made changes to your widget, click Update to save this information. If you no longer need a widget in your dashboard and need to delete it, click Delete next to the widget you'd like to delete. Once confirmed, it will be removed. Let's discuss some of the unique features that these widgets have to offer. Select widgets that include location-specific information, such as the Space Capacity widget, allow you to select the location you wish to work with from the drop-down menu. By clicking Save Location, you can freeze this widget's location information so that it's readily available the next time you log in. The green links you'll see across many widgets, such as the account name, Parker name, and invoice number, are live links. When clicked, this will take you directly to the respective account or invoice number chosen, where you can view additional details. Also of note are the header fields displayed across the top of the widgets. These headers can be used to search for information, sort information in ascending and descending order, as well as to select information from the drop-down menus. When a widget has many records, there will be multiple pages of information that you can page through at the bottom of the widget. These helpful tips will assist you in conveniently searching and sorting through this valuable information. In today's video, we discussed the various widgets Zephire offers and how to best utilize these in your job responsibilities and daily tasks. We also walked through the process of adding widgets from the dashboard setup menu and some of the unique features that these widgets have to offer. We hope you found this video helpful. We have a full library of videos, like the one you've seen today, to help assist you in navigating Zephire. If you have additional questions, you can also reach out to our help desk that's linked below. Thanks for watching.